me as I challenge myself to share 5 mind-blowing science facts that are guaranteed to blow kids' minds. Kids are naturally curious, and that's what makes science so fascinating for them. It's all about discovering the hidden secrets of our world and understanding how things work. And the best part? There's always something new to learn, something that can blow their minds. You know, I've met kids who think science is just about beakers, test tubes, and boring classrooms. Some might even think it's only for geniuses or experts. But the truth is, science is all around us, and it's actually really cool. We just need to show kids the amazing side of it. A lot of kids might think that scientists are always right, that they have all the answers. But the truth is, scientists are not always 100% sure about everything. They make mistakes, they learn from them, and they keep on exploring. It's okay not to know everything, and that's what makes science so exciting. And did you know that some scientists actually create fake theories just to see how long it takes others to prove them wrong? It's like a big game of science detective. For many kids, science might seem like a bunch of complicated theories and formulas. But the reality is, science is all about being curious, asking questions, and finding answers. It's about exploring, experimenting, and discovering new things. And that's exactly what we're going to do today with these 5 mind-blowing science facts that are guaranteed to blow kids' minds. Let's talk about the first fact. There's a type of jellyfish that's immortal. The Turritopsis dohrnii, also known as the immortal jellyfish, is a species of jellyfish that can transform its body into a younger state through a process called transdifferentiation. It's like a jellyfish version of a reboot. This process allows it to bypass the normal process of aging and death, making it theoretically immortal. The second fact is that there's a giant crystal cave in Mexico that's filled with towering crystals as long as 36 feet. The Nica mine in Chihuahua, Mexico, is home to some of the largest crystals ever discovered. These crystals were formed over millions of years, and they're so delicate that even a slight change in temperature or humidity could damage them. Did you know that there's a kind of fungus that can turn ants into zombies? Ophiocordyceps unilaterally, also known as the zombie fungus, infects ants and takes control of their bodies, causing them to climb to high locations where the fungus can produce spores. It's like something out of a sci-fi movie. The fourth fact is that there's a place on Earth where the gravity is weaker than anywhere else. The Hudson Bay in Canada is home to a region known as the gravity anomaly, where the gravity is about 1/200th weaker than the rest of the planet. It's not much, but it's still pretty cool. And finally, the fifth fact is that there's a giant storm on Jupiter that's been raging for over 300 years. The Great Red Spot, as it's known, is a massive storm on Jupiter that's so big it could swallow several Earths whole. It's been raging since at least the 18th century, and it's still going strong today. But out of all these mind-blowing facts, I think the most astonishing one is the Turritopsis dohrnii, the immortal jellyfish. I mean, can you imagine being able to reboot your body like a computer? It's a game changer, and scientists are still trying to understand the secrets behind this process. Who knows, maybe one day we'll be able to apply this to humans. So there you have it, 5 mind-blowing science facts that are guaranteed to blow kids' minds. From immortal jellyfish to zombie fungus, these facts show just how amazing and fascinating science can be. Remember, science is all around us, and it's up to us to keep exploring, discovering, and pushing the boundaries of what we know. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your favorite science facts in the comments below. If you want more educational videos like this, be sure to check out our channel for more mind-blowing content.